Are you tired of payment rejection or banned from payment gateways like PayPal or 2Checkout, and you're looking for a sustainable payment method for your WooCommerce store? With PayHighRisk.com, you're not alone. We can help you find the right solution. Whop Woocommerce Plugin.
This plug-and-play WooCommerce plugin installs in just 5 minutes. No coding needed. Just install, activate, giving you instant access to stable processing with 0 monthly fees. Our AI detects fraud before it happens. Reduce disputes by 90% and keep your merchant account healthy. Purchase this powerful plugin now with a single lifetime payment. You get 24/7 priority support, lifetime updates, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Whop supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit, debit cards, buy now, pay later, BNPL, options like Klarna, Afterpay, etc. Also crypto like Bitcoin, stablecoins, digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo, and local payment methods. Whop offers multiple payout methods, including direct bank deposits, ACH, PayPal, and cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and stablecoins. Users can set up manual, recurring, or instant payouts depending on their preference, and can receive funds in over 241 territories. To set up the checkout experience after installation of plugin in your WordPress dashboard, create your Whop free account and get you API and allowing you to accept payments directly within your store. After payment, you should receive both full documentation and a video explanation. The documentation typically includes details like configuration, how to set up product and plan, integrate the checkout flow, handle webhook for real payment notification, and properly added credit or access to the user when payments succeed. While the video serves as a guide for understanding how to use Whop Woocommerce plugin.